Hi guys, it's Friday and it's another day, another vlog. So, ilang days na lang din guys is mag-rest day na tayo. So, why guys, for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales. And aside from that guys, we also check our passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales. And monitoring also guys the tracker kasi nga today yung pick up nila dun sa Pandakan. So, kailangan natin silang i-monitor kung nakapasok na ba sila dun sa warehouse. So, that will be my agenda for today guys. So, why guys, dyan lang muna kayo at mag-work lang din muna ako.
Bago pa ako naman, rasta ko dyan. Okay, wala dito. Magkano yung kwan? Ilang percent yung peso? Wala ko na promo, hindi man normal yan 1%. Pag 5 years, magkano yun? Magkano yung maklik? Putol-putol ka?
So, anyway guys, meron nga pala tayong merienda today and since na-release na yung incentives ni Kuya Nelvin, he decided na i-treat kami. So, we got here guys, a spaghetti from Yulis and we have also here coffee macchiato from Gen Z. So, sobrang busog talaga kami today. So, anyway guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!
Sino nga ni ante? Under nga ni si Glenn? 270.
Thank you.
Under ka na si Glenn. Sita kami ni Glenn, nag-ahapang.